Welcome to Weight Loss Feast. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Robert. Today, I want to talk to you about something that is crucial for our health and well-being, meal planning, and its benefits for weight loss. As a medical professional, I've seen firsthand how proper nutrition can transform lives. So, let's dive into the world of meal planning and discover how it can help you achieve your weight loss goals. The importance of meal planning. Meal planning is an essential tool for weight loss. It allows you to take control of your nutrition, ensuring that you consume the right balance of nutrients to support your body's needs while shedding those extra pounds. There are several key benefits to meal planning. Let's explore them one by one. First, portion control. By planning your meals, you can ensure that you're consuming the right amount of food. This helps prevent overeating, which is a common pitfall for those trying to lose weight. Second, balanced nutrition. A well-planned meal includes a variety of nutrients, ensuring that your body gets what it needs to function optimally, making weight loss more achievable. Third, reduced food waste. When you plan your meals, you buy only what you need. This not only saves money, but also helps the environment. It's a win-win situation. Fourth, time and money savings. Meal planning allows you to make efficient use of your resources. By planning and preparing meals in advance, you save time and money in the long run. Fifth, reduce stress. Knowing what you'll eat each day eliminates the daily decision-making process, giving you more mental energy to focus on other important aspects of your life. Now that we've explored the benefits, let's talk about how to start meal planning. First, set your goals. Determine your weight loss target and the time frame in which you want to achieve it. This will help guide your meal planning process. Second, assess your dietary needs. Consult with a nutritionist or use online resources to determine the right balance of macronutrients for your body and weight loss goals. Third, plan your meals. Create a weekly menu that includes a variety of foods, ensuring that each meal is balanced and nutritious. Remember, variety is the spice of life. Fourth, make a shopping list. Based on your meal plan, create a list of ingredients you'll need for the week. This will help you stay organized and avoid impulse purchases. Fifth, prepare your meals. Set aside time each week to cook and portion your meals. This will make it easier to stick to your plan and avoid unhealthy choices. Finally, track your progress. Keep a food diary and monitor your weight loss journey. This will help you stay motivated and make adjustments as needed. As requested, let's look at some diet plan examples for a person who is 6 feet tall and weighs 80 kilograms. Keep in mind that these are just examples, and it's essential to consult with a nutritionist or healthcare professional to create a personalized plan that suits your specific needs and goals. The first example is a balanced macronutrient approach. This plan focuses on consuming a balanced ratio of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. For a 6 feet tall person weighing 80 kilograms, this might look like 50% carbohydrates, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, 25% proteins, lean meats, fish, legumes, and dairy, 25% fats, healthy fats from nuts, seeds, and avocados. For example, a day's meal plan could include breakfast, oatmeal with berries, almonds, and a drizzle of honey. Lunch, grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, and a vinaigrette dressing. Dinner, baked salmon with quinoa and steamed broccoli. Snacks, Greek yogurt with fruit or a handful of mixed nuts. The second example is a low-carb, high-protein approach. This plan focuses on reducing carbohydrate intake while increasing protein consumption to support muscle growth and weight loss. For a 6 feet tall person weighing 80 kilograms, this might look like 30% carbohydrates, non-starchy vegetables, and low-sugar fruits, 40% proteins, lean meats, fish, legumes, and dairy, 30% fats, healthy fats from nuts, seeds, and avocados. For example, a day's meal plan could include breakfast, scrambled eggs with spinach, mushrooms, and avocado. Lunch, turkey and avocado lettuce wraps with a side of cucumber salad. Dinner, grilled steak with asparagus and a side of cauliflower rice. Snacks, cottage cheese with cherry tomatoes or a protein shake. The third example is a plant-based approach. This plan focuses on consuming whole, plant-based foods while minimizing animal products. For a 6 feet tall person weighing 80 kilograms, this might look like 60% carbohydrates, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, 20% proteins, legumes, tofu, tempeh, and plant-based protein sources, 20% fats, healthy fats from nuts, seeds, and avocados. For example, a day's meal plan could include breakfast, chia seed pudding with almond milk, topped with fresh fruit. Lunch, lentil and vegetable stir-fry with brown rice. Dinner, stuffed bell peppers with quinoa, black beans, and avocado. Snacks, hummus with carrot sticks or a handful of almonds. Remember, these are just examples to give you an idea of what a meal plan could look like for a 6 feet tall person weighing 80 kilograms. It's essential to consult with a nutritionist or healthcare professional to create a personalized plan that suits your specific needs and goals. I hope you found this information valuable and inspiring. Remember, taking control of your nutrition is a powerful step towards a healthier, happier you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might also benefit from these insights. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on health, nutrition, and well-being. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you and continue this journey together. Until next time, stay focused on your goals, embrace meal planning, and enjoy the incredible benefits it can bring to your life. Take care and see you in the next video.